Best deals.
1. Steamer pot. Built with advanced 3-layer stainless steel base for rapid heating, consistent cooking, and better nutrient retention in every dish. Perfect for idlis, momos, dumplings, vegetables, modak, biryani, and more. This 3-tier steamer pot brings variety to every meal. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Burger maker. This burger presser is made of food-grade aluminum with a detachable handle. Its all-in-one design offers a comprehensive solution for making homemade burger. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Egg pan. Designed for comfort and safety, the wooden handle stays cool to the touch, providing a secure grip for easy handling. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, this pan offers excellent heat retention and distribution for consistent cooking results. Perfect for frying multiple eggs or pancakes simultaneously. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Dutch oven. Oval shape with high walls concentrates heat and cooks food from all sides, ideal for layered dishes such as biryani, shepherd's pie. Pressure die cast technology allows for metal thickness exactly where needed, so your pan is strong and heats evenly. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Copper serving set. Stainless steel surface preserves the taste and nutritional qualities of foods and is safe for food contact. Copper bottom adds style. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Idli cooker. Crafted with thick, high-grade stainless steel for superior heat retention, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance, fluffy idlis every time. Ergonomic design choices opt for the traditional stand or knob-equipped plates for effortless handling, catering to your comfort and cooking style. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Granite non-stick tawa. It is made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. Enjoy a low-oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Serving bowls. Crafted from agri-waste in eclectic pastel hues, these will surely add oomph to any dining table. Go ahead and flaunt. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Yogurt maker. For whom just needs you to plug it in to start making yogurt or natto and rice wine, other great sources of probiotics, features a 304 food-grade stainless steel pot to effectively prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, making it the safest, most sanitary choice. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Kadai. Made from 100% natural cast iron, ensuring a healthy cooking experience. Free from chemicals and toxins, it enhances the nutritional value of your dishes. Adds essential iron content to your meals, helping to combat iron deficiency. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Pressure cooker. Heavy gauge heat diffusing metal core, spreads heat evenly through base and up the sides for quick, even cooking. Superior food-grade stainless steel inside, stronger, more durable and hygienic. Handles are durable and sturdy, ensure longevity. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Egg poacher. Egg pan is made of the optimal material, which is featured by the non-stick coating of surface. It is evenly heated, saves energy, is not easily damaged and has a long service life. Perfect for cooking omelets, bacon, burgers, pancakes and making 4 fried eggs at the same time, suitable for breakfast making. The stay cool handles have good properties of heat insulation and protects you from being burnt. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Casseroles. Made using food-grade stainless steel, easy locking system is installed. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Tadka pan. Made from premium cast iron, and is pre-seasoned for immediate use, offering superior durability and natural non-stick performance. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cookware set. The non-stick coating guarantees reduced oil usage, providing healthy cooking. The product is free from PFOA and PFAS-free, ensuring no harmful chemical usage. This ceramic product is preferred for higher and even heating, providing perfect cooking, maintaining the crispiness and color of the food, has cool touch handle for enhanced safety and has easy to clean surface, also gas and induction compatible. The centralized kadai comes with a glass lid in different capacities for various cooking needs. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Grill. The 180 degrees opening allows for grilling, toasting, and reheating with ease, while the jumbo-sized grilling plate can make up to 4 jumbo bread-size sandwiches at once. Adjusts to accommodate sandwiches of different thicknesses for even grilling. Equipped with 2000 W high power for faster heating. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Pot. Porous clay allows heat and moisture to circulate evenly, ensuring perfect cooking without overheating or burning. Kilned twice at high temperatures for exceptional strength. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Snack maker. Featuring charming peach color and durable granite finish coating. Granite coating does not allow food to stick on its non-stick surface. Even heat distribution and excellent heat retention. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Cupcakes mold. This stainless steel mold for idling and baking is made with high quality and durable stainless steel material. The material of this mold is rust-free and does not tarnish with passage of time. These round baking and steaming molds are easy to clean, which can be cleaned conveniently in dishwasher or hand washing. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Fry pan. Made from 100% natural cast iron, this fry pan is free from chemicals, coatings, and toxins for safe, healthy cooking. Cast iron cookware offers lasting durability and naturally enriches your food with iron, especially when cooking acidic or moist dishes. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Omelette. Compact, multifunctional Japanese-style egg pan. Can be used to make Japanese egg rolls, omelets, pancakes, bread toasts, French fries. Heavy gauge aluminum construction for quick and even heat distribution, 100% safe, food grade non-stick interiors with a beautiful, scratch-resistant porcelain exterior. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. Always stay cool phenolic handle for easy handling. Suitable cooktops, halogen, gas, electric, has hard-to-heat phenolic resin handle with a hanging hole for hooking. Unique, slope-shaped design for easy flipping and serving. The pan features the right shape and dimension to create authentic tamagoyaki eggs. Its heavy-gauge aluminum body propels even heating and high heat retention. Its heavy-gauge aluminum body propels even heating and high heat retention that helps you prepare delicious Japanese rolled omelets in the beautiful yellow shade using minimal oil. Product link is given in the 21st link.